Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install pip in Windows 11 operating system. So if I go into this command prompt and if I write there pip minus minus version, so you can see pip is not recognized kind of message. Here we need to download the Python. So in Google search box, write there Python, then go into this python.org site. Then this here download section, let's click on this latest version Python 3.14, the size 28.18, 28.81 MB. This downloaded. After that, let's close this. Here, you can see this is the file inside the program Python. Let's double click into this file. Here, you can see. So first, this tools that's going to select. This is for admin privilege. So if you select this option, install now, here you can get ideally and pip also you can get. And if I click on this customize, so here you can also install. So install pip which can download and install other Python package. So by following this step, you can also here get the pip. So this I'm going to select there. So clicking on this install now. So this here installing Python 3.143 as standard here 3.14.3 pip bootstrap 64-bit operating system, that's for this is now currently installing. Now this adding the path, thereafter successful, let's click on this close. I already here command prompt that's open. Let's open the new. Now if I write pip this times, so this times this all that I'm getting now. Let's write there pip minus minus version. So here you can see the latest version of the pip 26.0.1 that install. So this is the location. And here if I write which pip, okay, let's use there where pip. So this is the pip.exe file that here, that's one there. So this is how we can install this pip on Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.